How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial with Eli Dugan. Today, I'll show you how to use Excel in a chemistry context. So I have a data set right here that shows the atomic weight of each chemical element. These numbers aren't exactly what you might have from an official IB data booklet, since I did just get these off of the internet. So you may want to build this, so if you do want to build this yourself, you may want to use those values instead. What I want to do is build some kind of functionality that lets me input the makeup of a certain compound and will return the atomic mass of that compound. To do that, I'm going to make use of the VLOOKUP formula. I'm going to go over to this tab that I have to do that calculation. The compound I'm going to be looking at is sucrose, which has the chemical formula C12H22O11. What I want to do here is first write down each element's chemical symbol, and then write the number of times the element appears in the compound. Now it's time to use VLOOKUP. The first parameter is my lookup value, which in this case is C for the first one. Then it wants the data table, and I'm going to go over here and select just the data that I need to reference, which is the symbol and the atomic mass. Next, it wants the index of the column for what I'm looking for, which is 2 in this case because it only cares about the ones that you selected. And I'm looking for an exact match, so I'll write false. That right there is the atomic mass of carbon. I will just lock my array, and then I will copy it down. And that's the atomic mass of hydrogen and of oxygen, according to my table. So to find the total atomic mass of sucrose, I need to multiply each element's atomic mass by its frequency in the molecule, and then sum each of those up, which I could, of course, do in 2 steps, but I'm going to take a shortcut. I can do all of that with just the sum product formula. All I have to do is pass in the array of element frequencies, pass in the array of atomic masses, and then it will return the sum. And that's it. Following these steps, you too can use Excel to help you with your chemistry. Happy spreadsheeting, and long live the class of 2021.